Hi, I'm Dave Berg. Today I will show you how to install the SureGrip adhesive floor mat into your facility using the SureGrip cutting guide. When installed properly, SureGrip matting can provide up to 12 weeks of durable floor protection. The first step is to clean the floor where you plan to place the mat. Allow it to dry completely before installation. Once the floor is clean and dry, take your SureGrip roll and put one edge in place. Press down to adhere about 5 inches of the mat to the floor. Pull back on the roll firmly to unroll the mat to the desired length and secure it to the floor using the cutting guide tool. Slide the cutting guide underneath the mat and line the groove up to where you would like the mat to end. There are 2 vertical grooves that line up with the edges of the mat to help with alignment. Once the guide is lined up, it's time to cut. The SureGrip mat's thickness can make it difficult to get started, so it may be helpful to make a starting cut at the edge. Once the cut is started, then you can cut the rest of the width of the mat. The groove in the cutting guide will help you make a straight and even cut. It may take 1 or 2 passes of the blade to cut all the way through the mat. Some users choose to cut 45-degree notches in the corners to prevent the mat from peeling up. To do this, use the angled grooves to cut off each corner. You can make the angled cuts 2 different lengths depending on your preference. Once you have made all of your cuts, remove the cutting guide and use it to press down on the mat. This will help to eliminate air bubbles. If the mat gets wrinkled, simply pull it up from the floor and try it again. As long as your floor surface is clean, the adhesive will still hold. Now that your mat is cut to size and put in place, you are all finished.